The second model that the companies can select to account for investment properties as per IAS number 40 is the fair value model. Fair value models requires properties to be measured at fair value. So you might ask me, when should we measure this fair value of this property? It must be every year. At the end of each reporting period, you have to measure the properties based on the fair value if you are going to follow and select the fair value model. So the second question that you might ask me, if we are going to do the fair value valuation for this investment property, so definitely there will be some changes related to the fair value, which means that you might have plus and minus, you might have gain or loss in the fair value of the investment property. So the second question here is how to account for these changes. So in a very simple word, the changes in the fair value are being recognized in the profit or loss in the same accounting period that you did the revaluation. So the revaluation should be done annually under this model. We discussed this. And if you are going to do the revaluation every year, so by default, by logic, no depreciation is required for investment property in this case, because simply this investment property will be valued at year end based on the fair value. So no depreciation for this investment property accounted under the fair value model. So as an example, if the fair value of a commercial property increases from $5 million to $6 million, so the $1 million increase or gain is being recognized in the profit or loss statement.